throws around the word luxury on this app, especially in the real estate sector right here in Nigeria. Today, I am going to show you what luxury genuinely looks like. I am standing right here in Ikota Lekki Lagos, one of the most sought after addresses right here in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. And behind me is Casa de Road, a property that is turning head, dropping jaws, and redefining what premium real estate looks like. Stay with me while I tour this home with you, because this property is one you would not want to miss. So stay with me. Let's go. My name is Amrachi, your number one real estate consultant right here in Lekki, Lagos. So if you're just bumping into my page, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And please stay glued, stay tuned on this channel, because I promise you the best listings right here in the city of Lekki, Lagos. So stay glued and let's go tour these premium listings. Let's go. Think about what it means to wake up on a Saturday morning in Lekki, step out to your private pool and just breathe. No traffic, no noise from a communal estate, just your compound, your pool, your peace. That's what this property is offering. Stepping inside this living room, you'll be welcomed first with your guests room here, which is also by the side, very segmented, so the guest doesn't come into your house totally. So coming in here, we have this beautiful artwork here. So this home is designed for your comfort, and we have a lot of lightings here. Also, this living room ushers you in with this large wall TV console right here. And then I love the fact that they use the black ties on the staircase right here. Very beautiful and spacious. And then the lightings, and we have this wine bar right here. So come on, let's go see the other places. Let's see the kitchen and then we move upstairs. Welcome to the heart of the home, where all the delicacies, all the sumptuous meals are made. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the fittings. First floor adds another layer of elevation and privacy. Up here we have 4 rooms, the master's bedroom and 3 additional rooms. We also have this beautiful vanity here where you can stand and look at yourself and probably do your makeup. Very beautiful. Now, let's keep exploring the beautiful rooms we have here. Welcome to the primary suite. This is absolutely beautiful, like welcoming, carefully thought out. The good thing about this house is that it is automated. Like the lightings, everything is automated. Then we also have this beautiful TV console right here in this master's bedroom, and it's it's very beautiful. I love the fact, I love the style of the TV console right here, and then the lightings here. Also we have this TV, we have this closet enough for your storage for your clothes right here. And by my right here, we have the bathroom, which is coming with double hand basin. We have the bathtub, and we have the toilet seat also coming with a LED light, with a hanger, and then with a walk-in shower right here. So please, if you're just bumping into my page, please remember to like, share, and subscribe on this page, as we promise you the best listings right here in the city of Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Now, this price of this property is 390 million naira. Yes, so if you're in the market and you're looking for a beautiful home like this, an exquisite home with a swimming pool, a large compound space, beautiful architectural work, white painting, this is a must buy with 390 million naira asking, and you're already ready to go. You're ready to go. So please, if you're interested in this property is located right here in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos. So if you're interested, please hit my number. My number is on the screen. My name is Machi. Until you see me on my real estate video tour again. Bye bye.